viewers, I hope you people are fine and you people are feeling well. In our today's topic, I will tell you about helping verb of all tenses. There are 12 tenses. Every people knows 12 tenses, and I will tell you about the helping verb of those tenses. So let's come to the words our topic. The helping verbs of all tenses. There are 12 tenses. Everyone knows 12 tenses. So the first is there, that is present simple tense, or present indefinite tense we will also call. The helping verb of present indefinite tense is do and does. And the second one is there, the present continuous tense. What is the helping verb of present continuous tense? That is or am. And the third is present perfect tense. The helping verb of present perfect tense is has and have. And the fourth one is there, that is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense helping verb is there, that is have been and has been. These were our present tenses, and in next tenses I will tell you that is the past part. That is the past tenses. The fifth one is there, that is past indefinite tense. The past indefinite tense helping verb is there, that is did. Did is the helping verb of past indefinite tense. So the sixth one is there, the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense helping verb is there, that is was and were. Was and were is the helping verb of past continuous tense. And the seventh one is there, that is past perfect tense. The past perfect tense helping verb is there, that is had. Had is the helping verb of past perfect tense. And the eighth one is there, it is past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense helping verb is there, that is had been. Had been is the helping verb of our past perfect continuous tense. So this was our second portion, and in our third portion I will tell you about the future tenses. There are we will start the future sentence. How the helping verb of future tense is there. The ninth one is there, the future indefinite tense. What is the helping verb of future indefinite tense? That is will and shall. Will and shall is the helping verb of future simple tense. And the 10th one is there, future continuous tense. What is the helping verb of future continuous tense? That is will be and shall be. Here will, I will tell you, will be and shall be is the helping verb of future continuous tense. And the 11th one is there, future perfect tense. What is future perfect tense? The helping verb of future perfect tense is there, that is will have and shall have. Will have and shall have is the helping verb of future perfect tense. And the last one is there, future perfect continuous tense. The helping verb of future perfect continuous tense is there, the will have been and shall have been is the helping verb of future perfect continuous tense. So this was our helping verbs of all tenses. Kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos.